Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nara Shifakila and I'm from 9.5. In this video, we will talk and learn together about the materials of mathematics. This material about quadratic equation. In this video, we will know what is the definition of quadratic equation and how to solve the quadratic equation. For the first, we will learn together about the definition of quadratic equation. In math, we define a quadratic equation as an equation of degree 2. Its meaning that the highest exponent of this function is 2. And the general form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where x is the variable and a, b, c, or the first, the second, and the third term are constant. There are three methods of quadratic equation. The first one we have factorization. Factorization is a decomposition of quadratic equation using its constituent factors. Equation decomposition is changing the arrangement structure of an equation form into a new, comparable form. The way to solve the quadratic equation by factorizing or factorization, it means you have to find the value that, if multiplied, it will produce another value. The example exercise of factorizing is x squared minus 6x minus 27 equals 0. The first one, we have to determine a, b, and c are the first, second, and the third term of this quadratic equation. In this quadratic equation, a is 1, b is minus 6, and c is minus 27. So we have to determine two numbers. If it is multiplied, the value is minus 27, and if it's plus, the value is minus 6. So the answer is minus 9 and 3. It will be like this and like this. So we get the answer is x1 equal 9 and x2 equal minus 3. The second method to solve the quadratic equation is completing the square. What is completing the square and how to do it? But before that, we have to know what is completing the square. Complete the square is method used to convert the form a quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal 0 to a perfect square form a plus b 1 per 2 multiplied by b bracket square equals c 1 per 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by b bracket square. The way to solve quadratic equation by completing the square, it becomes perfect. The form of perfect square equation is form of equation that produces rational numbers. The example exercise of complete the square, it is determine the roots of quadratic equation by using the completing the square. The quadratic equation is x squared minus 6x minus plus 7 equal 0. The first we have to know A, B, and C. A is 1, B is -6, and C is 7. After that, we can move C to the right side and B -7. Then insert the completing the square into the quadratic equation and be like this. From that formula, we can count the value that those number in brackets. So we will get the value x squared minus 6x plus 9 equal -7 plus 9. From that value, we can continue by using factorizing and be x squared minus 6x plus 9 equal 2. We find x minus 3 and x minus 3 equal 2. And to be this. And all of the side used as rooted. And it will be like this. Because if there is square and roots, it can remove. After all, we get the answer. It's x equal 3 plus minus 2 in roots. So the answer is x1 equal 3 plus 2 in roots, while x2 equal 3 minus 2 in roots. The third method to solve the quadratic equation is formula. We can use formula to solve the quadratic equation because this way is easy and fast. This formula is x1.2 equal minus b plus minus roots b squared minus 4ac put 2a. This formula is using when factorizing and completing the square cannot be done to solve the quadratic equation. The example exercise using the formula is 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 equal 0. Like the previous method, we can determine the first, second, and the third term, or A, B, and C. This example, A is 2, B is minus 5, and C is minus 6. After that, we can insert the formula, and it will be like this. Then we can count all of the number and become 5 plus minus roots 25 plus 48 per 4 and become 5 plus minus roots 73 per 4. So the answer is x1 equal 5 plus root 73 per 4, while x2 equal 5 minus root 73 per 4. Thank you for your attention. I'm sorry if there is a mistake from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.